Welcome to Top Tech Picks YouTube channel, the ultimate destination for tech enthusiasts. Are you on the hunt for the best mechanical keyboard of 2024? Look no further. In today's video, we're diving into the world of mechanical keyboards, breaking down the top models and features you absolutely can't miss this year. From tactile switches that offer satisfying feedback to customizable RGB lighting that stay tuned to find the perfect mechanical keyboard that's going to revolutionize your gaming, coding, or writing experience in 2024. Number 5. Corsair K95 RGB Platinum XD, the best mechanical keyboard 2024 for gamers. When it comes to finding the best mechanical keyboard 2024 has to offer, the Corsair K95 RGB Platinum XD is a frontrunner. This wired gaming keyboard checks all the boxes for high-performance gaming and professional use. First off, the Cherry MX speed switches provide rapid actuation, making it perfect for fast-paced games and intensive coding sessions. No doubt, the feel and responsiveness are top-notch. The PBT double-shot keycaps ensure durability, making faded keys a thing of the past. This keyboard is not just about performance, it's also about aesthetics. With customizable ICUE-compatible RGB lighting, your setup will look as good as your gameplay. Its QWERTY layout is intuitive, and the keys are well-spaced, offering comfort for extended use. In summary, if you're aiming for the perfect combination of aesthetics, speed, and reliability, look no further than the Corsair K95 RGB Platinum XD. With features tailored for both gaming and professional tasks, it stands out as a strong contender for the best mechanical keyboard 2024 can deliver. Number 4. SteelSeries Apex Pro Hypermagnetic, a game-changer in the best mechanical keyboard 2024 race. The SteelSeries Apex Pro Hypermagnetic gaming keyboard is a monumental leap in the gaming keyboard landscape and a strong contender for the title of Best Mechanical Keyboard 2024. What sets this keyboard apart is its innovative adjustable actuation, allowing you to fine-tune the responsiveness of each key according to your specific needs. Whether you're into fast-paced sports or detailed coding, this feature is a game-changer. An OLED screen offers an extra layer of customization and functionality, letting you adapt settings directly from the keyboard without having to dig into software. Coupled with the vivid RGB lighting, it's not just a tool but a centerpiece for any gaming setup. Another must-mention feature is the USB pass-through, an often overlooked convenience that can simplify your workspace or gaming station. Designed to accommodate both casual and hardcore gamers, the Apex Pro has thought of everything, down to the smallest detail. If you're on the hunt for a versatile, customizable, and ultra-fast keyboard, the SteelSeries Apex Pro Hypermagnetic is not just an excellent choice. It's perhaps the best mechanical keyboard 2024 has seen yet. Don't just take our word for it. Experience the future of mechanical keyboards for yourself. Number 3. Asus ROG Azoth, the DIY dream in the best mechanical keyboard 2024 competition. If you're in search of the best mechanical keyboard 2024 has to offer, then the Asus ROG Azoth should be high on your list, especially if you're a DIY enthusiast. This 75% wireless custom gaming keyboard is a tech-savvy gamer's dream come true. The OLED display provides a touch of sophistication and a gateway for easy customization, setting the stage for a truly unique experience. What truly makes the Azoth stand out is its 3-layer dampening system, allowing for key presses that are tactile yet silent. Ideal for both gaming marathons and office environments, it's an auditory delight. The hot-swappable ROD-NX red switches and keyboard stabilizers not only enhance the tactile feel, but also offer an easy way to change your setup as often as you like. The PBT keycaps and vibrant RGB lighting make this keyboard as visually stunning as it is functionally impressive. You also get the flexibility of going wireless, making it a versatile choice for any setup. In summary, the Asus ROG Azoth offers an all-in-one package for gamers and DIY enthusiasts alike, pushing the envelope in the best mechanical keyboard 2024 category. With its unbeatable features and customization options, it's more than just a keyboard. It's an investment in your gaming future. Number 2. Corsair K100 Air Wireless, setting a new standard for the best mechanical keyboard 2024. In the race for the best mechanical keyboard 2024 can offer, Corsair's K100 Air wireless RGB mechanical gaming keyboard emerges as a top contender. One of its standout features is the ultra-thin design, which not only looks sleek but also contributes to a comfortable typing and gaming experience. For the speed aficionados, the K100 Air is outfitted with sub-1 millisecond slipstream and low-latency Bluetooth technology, ensuring your inputs are nearly instantaneous. There's no question that you'll have the upper hand in any competitive scenario. Add Cherry MX ultra-low profile key switches to the mix, and you've got a keyboard that provides rapid actuation without sacrificing tactile feedback. RGB lighting is almost a given these days, but Corsair takes it a step further. The customizability and vibrancy of the RGB lights are unmatched, giving you the power to create the perfect ambience for your gaming rig. And let's not forget the NA layout and QoERTO design, which stays true to the classic keyboard form while offering added features for modern gaming needs. Simply put, the Corsair K100 Air wireless RGB mechanical gaming keyboard is a full package, ticking almost every box for hardcore gamers and casual users alike. If you're looking to upgrade your setup in 2024, this keyboard should be at the top of your list. Number 1. SteelSeries Apex 5, the ultimate hybrid experience for the best mechanical keyboard 2024. If you're scouting for the best mechanical keyboard 2024 has in store, your search might just end with the SteelSeries Apex 5 hybrid mechanical gaming keyboard. This keyboard effortlessly combines traditional mechanical switches with the modern features gamers crave, presenting a well-rounded device that's hard to overlook. The first thing to catch your eye will undoubtedly be the OLED Smart Display. This small but powerful feature enhances your gaming experience by offering quick access to settings and displaying game info. You don't have to pause your game or minimize your screen to change settings, providing an uninterrupted, immersive experience. RGB illumination is customizable down to each individual key. This gives you the freedom to really make this keyboard your own, whether you want to match it with the rest of your rig or set specific game-related color patterns. With its robust construction, smart features, and top-notch performance, the SteelSeries Apex 5 hybrid mechanical gaming keyboard defines what it means to be the best mechanical keyboard in 2024. This is a must-have for any serious gamer or typing enthusiast.